Now, children, today let's start with chapter number 2, that is abiotic resources. जैसे आपका land, soil, water, these all comes under abiotic resources. Land resources refers to the shape, form, or nature of land surface. They are associated with the land resources. What they provide shelter to both living and non-living substances. Land resources of the earth contains lofty mountains, flat plains, high plateau island, and natural resources. They provide all essential products जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, ह्यूमन नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हो. द लैंड कवर्स 30% ऑफ टोटल एरिया और 90% जो टोटल पॉपुलेशन है उसमें से जो 30% है वो आपका लैंड एरिया, राइट. सो लेस हैबिटेबल लेयर और हाईली हैबिटेबल. माउंटेनियस एरिया, स्टीप फ्लोज, रग ट्रेड. इसमें रिवर वैली है, एक्सट्रीम हॉट एंड कोल्ड रीजन, वाटर लॉन्ग एरिया है, थिक फॉरेस्ट एरिया. यहाँ पे प्लेन एरियाज है, फर्टाइल सॉइल, ग्रासलैंड लाइक प्रेरीज, गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र, प्लेन हार्ट, सीग. सो लैंड यूज. So the utility of lands depends upon its nature. Land is uses of various kinds. This agriculture, forestry, mining, pasture, building, roads, railways. Right? These are the different. So in addition to nature of land, the land use pattern is governed by number of factors like type of soil, availability of water, natural mineral resources, climate of the region. If we talk about human factor, we have population density, needs of the people. So as the needs of the people change with the time, so what happened, जो technical knowledge है वो भी क्या होती है, improve होती है. Land use pattern changes with the increase in population. Fresh area have to be brought under cultivation. जिससे आप क्या grow कर सकते हो, more food. So with the growing industrialization and urbanization, land under forest, pasture and agriculture is increasing. वो क्या कर रहा है, day by day increase कर रहा है. And we need land not just for industries, houses, transport and communication, but it is a network that has multiplex shopping malls, amusement park, holiday resort. Land use patterns of selected countries of the world is given. यहाँ पे आपको land use pattern दे रहे हैं, राइट. ऑस्ट्रेलिया का क्रॉप लेंथ 6 है, पास्चर 56 है, फॉरेस्ट 40, अदर इज 24. ठीक है. आप देखेंगे वी हैव, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट आवर कंट्री इंडिया, इट इज 57, 4, 22 एंड 7. राइट. What are the factors that affect the land use pattern? पहला है आपका क्लाइमेट. सो लैंड यूज पैटर्न ऑफ एनी प्लेस इज डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली इन्फ्लुएंस. यहाँ पे हार्श क्लाइमेट देखने को मिलेगा आपको, पोलर और इक्वेटोरियल रीजन पे. दे आर नॉट सुटेबल फॉर क्रॉपलैंड एंड पास्चर, व्हाइल एरियाज हैविंग माइल्ड क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ये करते हैं पास्चर को, एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटी को सपोर्ट कर. अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर, डेवलप्ड एंड प्लांट लैंड यूज पैटर्न, वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी इज एसेंशियल. यहाँ पे आपको प्लांटी ऑफ वाटर चाहिए सर्वाइव करने के लिए. देन वी हैव मिनरल डिपॉजिट जो आपके लैंड यूज पैटर्न को इन्फ्लुएंस करती है. सॉइल, एजुकेट एंड वेल प्लान लैंड यूज पैटर्न कैन बी सीन इन एरियाज. यहाँ पे जो सॉइल होता है वो कैसा होता है, फर्टाइल होता है. टेक्नोलॉजी की हम बात करें, सो द पैटर्न ऑफ लैंड यूज मेनी ऑल्सो चेंज इन द अवेलेबल टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर्स. ठीक है. मिनरल रिच एरिया ये किसका यूज करता है, एग्रीकल्चर और हाउसिंग का, इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ माइनिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, and they are converted into mine when suitable technology becomes available. Soon factories may be built in the area and gradually more and more land may be put into industries. Now conservation of land resources. Conservation of land resources is important. Conserving agricultural land. जहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हो, फॉरेस्ट को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, एफोरेस्टेशन कर सकते हो और लैंड रिकल्मिनेशन कर सकते हो और रेगुलेट कर सकते हो यूज ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर एंड पेस्टिसाइड्स. Now soil resources. So soil refers to the thin layer of grainy substance covering the substance of surface of the. ये किससे closely related है, land से, right? Soil is formed by disintegration of rocks and decayed organic matter, right? Like water and air. Now topmost layer of the crust is made up of decayed plants and dead organs, some humus कहते हैं. It is vital for an area as it governs its agriculture pattern, right? So this layer structure which spread from bedrock to sort of surface layer is known as soil profile. Some soil profile की बात करते हैं. It is divided into number of horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C और D. A में आपका टॉप सॉइल आ जाता है, B में सब सॉइल, फ्रेगमेंटेड रॉक मटेरियल एंड पैर. टॉप सॉइल यहाँ पे ह्यूमस होता है, राइट. इट इज द फोरमोस्ट हॉरिजन. यहाँ पे आपका सब सॉइल में स्मॉल रॉक पार्टिकल्स दिखेंगे, फॉलेबल मिनरल्स देखने को मिलेंगे. C horizon subsoil above parent rock, right? And then we had D horizon जहाँ पे आपको solid unearthed rock देखने को मिलेंगे. नाउ फैक्टर्स दैट अफेक्ट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल, पहला है आपका पेरेंट रॉक। यहाँ पे कलर, टेक्सचर, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज कैसी होनी चाहिए, सब चीज के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, राइट। देन वी हैव रिलीफ एंड टोपोग्राफी, मतलब ड्रेनेज पैटर्न एरिया का, मतलब स्टीप स्लोप है, वेदर्ड मटेरियल है, राइट, डिफरेंट थिंग्स को हम देखते हैं। नाउ क्लाइमेट की अगर हम बात करें तो टेम्परेचर एंड रेनफॉल, दे आर द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट क्लाइमेटिकल वेरिएशन। टाइम फैक्टर important है because it of longer time for soil formation is more deeper. Natural vegetation, wildlife and microorganisms. The plant and animals they play an important role. They add humus to the soil while the roots of the plants होते हैं वो soil को hold करके रखते हैं और soil erosion को prevent कर। Bacteria, fungi and protozoa they cause decay of plants and animals. Now degradation of soil. Soil का degradation. So soil can be degraded by erosion and by pollution. So first is soil erosion. Soil is carried by running water down the slope and this is known as soil erosion. Loose soil is devoid of vegetation is subject to higher rate of erosion and every year more than 2% of the fertile soil is washed up. जैसे गंगा वैली रिवर हो गया, along dumps 30 crore tons of soil. Once topsoil of the land is eroded, no plant can grow there and that is why soil erosion को हम क्या कहते हैं, cruel enemy भी कहते हैं. Pollution. Soil is polluted mainly due to dumping of waste and excessive use of pesticide. Garbage we produce is commonly dumped on the soil, उनको बलि करा जाता है. Right? Rainwater seeping into the soil through such garbage carries pollutants. ये करता है pollutants कैली कहते हैं. Right? So there is some waste material are poisonous and some like plastic, chemical, pesticide. इनको हम agriculture और कुछ chemical को हम use करते हैं that is discarded by the industry. Right, non-biodegradable material accumulated in soil and crops grown to the and they cause health problems, right. Then we have loss of fertility. To provide food to the increasing population of the world arable land, it is overused by adding what more and more chemical fertilizer. This practice क्या करती है, जो natural fertility है soil की उसको कम कर देती है, reduce कर देती है. Now conservation of soil, the preservation, protection and efficient utilization of resources. को ही हम क्या कहते हैं, soil conservation. So, soil conservation is praiseworthy efforts made by the men to prevent soil erosion in order to retain soil fertility. It may not be possible to stop soil erosion entirely, but it much can be done to reduce the rate of soil erosion. So, let's study about the following factors like mulching. Mulching, it is done to retain moisture in soil. For this, bare ground within plant is covered with organic material. जैसे आपका straw हो गया, leaves हो गया. Then contour flowing means the fields near hilly areas are closed barrier, right. This some जो flow है water का उसको रोक सकते. Shelter bed in dry region rows बनाई जाती थी इसकी to check the movement of wind. Terrace farming, soil conservation is mainly used on step slope. Terrace control surface runoff. Intercropping, different crops are sown in alternative rows in farm. इससे क्या होता है, ये आपके soil erosion को prevent करता है due to rainwash. Water resources. Water is one of the most important natural resources. It is essential for life. Water on earth exists mainly in three forms like water vapor in the atmosphere, water in the ocean, seas, rivers, lakes. They are ice in the mountains, polar regions. Ocean accounts for about 97% of total water on earth. Ocean water being saline cannot be used for domestic agriculture and industrial purpose. Right, almost 70% of the ice, about 30% is groundwater, most of which is too deep to reach, and rivers and lakes are sea. Not 1% of the total fresh water is available. Domestic और industry use दोनों के available है. वो कितना water है, 1%. Now water cycle, the water on the earth is in constant motion and keeps on changing in different forms like liquid water, ice, water vapor, and it keeps on changing water vapor and leads to formation of cloud. Now, water resources, the amount of rainfall in India is unevenly distributed and it rains only for 4 months. And in a year, and some part of our country get flooded while others suffer from drought. Right? So, we can say that the amount of cultivated land is limited and we have to produce more and more crops. आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा crop क्या करने हैं? Produce करने. Right? This can be done only through irrigation, which means artificial application of water. And it is difficult to cultivate land in areas where average rainfall is less than 40 centimeter. We have certain crops like which we grow in winter season. उनको ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है and they can be possible only through rain, right? Now, distribution of fresh water. Fresh water is one of the most species substance on the earth. So, we have some reason that is responsible, that is area of surplus precipitation. देखो जब between equator और 20 degree north and south latitudes, areas around north and south 40 degree latitude, the precipitation exceeds evaporation. इससे क्या होता है, एरिया में surplus precipitation होता है, right? Areas have deficient precipitation, एरिया ऑफ डेफिशिएंट precipitation, जहाँ पे आपके दोनों हेमिस्फीयर मिलेंगे between 20 डिग्री to 40 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड. These are the reason of water deficiency. ये किसके रीजन है? वाटर डेफिशिएंसी के. This has created desert in northern hemisphere. Desert are Sahara, Arabian, Gobi desert. और southern hemisphere में कौन कौन से? अटाकामा, कालाहारी और वेस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Now, conservation of water resource. Water is a cyclic resource. It can be used over again and again. Today, if we talk about water treatment, distilling and recycling of plants, से क्या होता है? Impurities जो होती है water में उसको हम remove कर. Some of the measures to conserve water are suggested. Rainwater harvesting is need to of the art. Every building should have provision of rainwater harvesting. Water can be stored in underground tanks, right? Now, in the industries, what you can do? You can recycle water that can be used for processing, domestic purpose. Planting of trees and other vegetation slows down the surface runoff, and spread awareness and educate people about the importance of natural resources and need to protect it. In agriculture, fields can be irrigated with the help of sprinkler irrigation and underground pipes, and these reduce the loss of water through the operation. The sewage and the industrial effluent should be suitably treated. Inculcate the habitat of not washing any natural habitat. आपको किसी भी तरीके का कोई भी natural habitat को wash away नहीं कर. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.